I'm Rinki Chakma and I'm with these beautiful kids. Today we have got cook-off sessions and we have got two uh, guests with us and these kids are from Sayani school. So meet them. Blow kisses, blow kisses.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am.
Yes, Liz, ma'am.
Liz, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm looking forward to it.
Ma'am, we have Rinki Chakma from Tripura with us over here, who's having a interaction with the kids. So anything, ma'am, you have to say about the pageant Miss India and the association?
No, we've had a long association with Miss India, and different Miss Indias have visited us,
Oh, wow.
and one of them won Beauty with a Purpose. And she's still with her
That's
tango.
good.
So it's nice to be back with you all,
Thank you, ma'am.
and we wish you all the best. In the
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Rinki,
Hi.
so would you like to? Yeah.
We will just do a quick interactions with the kids, and I really liking them. Like they are here, and I'm still missing my childhood again. So we'll just do a quick interaction with them. Come, that's good. So, hi.
Hi.
So we'll do with our introductions. Hi, I am Rinki Chakma, representing Tripura in Femina Miss India. So you want to give your introduction? Your introduction, please.
My name is Somsi. I'm learning in Sayani school. I am now in 8th standard.
Your
My name is Vijay. I am in Sayani school. I am now in 7th standard.
you.
My name is Ishita. Now I am studying in Sayani school. Now I am in 7th standard.
My name is Karthik.
Quick, both.
I am in Sayani
Three
school.
of you.
My standard is 8th standard.
What
I
about
am Sujal from Sayani School and my standard is 8th standard.
Hello, my name is Vinay. I am from Sayani school. Now I am studying in 7th standard.
Here.
Hi, my name is Akshi and I am in 7th standard in Sayani school. My name is Yogita. I am in 7th standard in Sayani school. My name is Aniket. I am in 7th standard in Sayani school. My name is Krishna. I am in 7th standard I am in 8th standard and I am from Sayani school.
What about you girls over here?
Hi, I'm Sweetie. Hi, I'm Isha, and we both belong to Sayani school and in 8th standard. So we're in 8th standard.
What about you?
Hi, I'm Sejal. I'm in Sayani school and in 7th standard.
Super girl. Yeah, Rinki, so do you want to ask them some questions for
Yes.
the kids, for our guests? Do they know why they are here today?
Yes, I want to know if they know anything about us, like what they came for, what is their purpose. So anyone would like to tell me that what is the purpose you are here?
Are you all invited for lunch with the Miss Indias?
Yes.
So are you looking forward to it?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to?
I am looking at how will they cook and what will they cook.
What
It will be really very surprising.
What's your favorite dish? What do you like to eat?
What you're expecting for? What you're expecting to eat here? Wow.
What about you? What about you? Any guess?
Noodles.
Noodles. Okay. Chicken biryani.
Pizza.
Pizza.
What about you?
I would like to eat maybe noodles.
Great.
So, yes, you have any questions? Okay.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. So, anyone want to ask me questions about me?
So
Or
any
about the Miss
questions
India?
about
Yes,
Miss
yes.
India?
आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो.
चिकन.
Yes.
हिंदी में बोलो.
आप कुक करना कब से?
क्या?
So her question is, Rinki,
Yes.
since how long do you know cooking? Do you know cooking first?
अच्छा, मुझे कब से कुकिंग आता है? बचपन से ही जब क्लास 5 में थी तब शायद मैंने पहला डिश बनाया था मैंने बेम्बो सूट करी। बेम्बो सूट हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत चलते हैं, यहाँ पे बांस टेंगा कुछ तो बोलते हैं, बेम्बो सूट टेंगा समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो वही मेरा पहला डिश था, तो तब से मैं कुकिंग कर रही हूँ, बट इन ओनली इन मेन कोर्स। तो फिर मुझे तब से ही आता है कुकिंग। और मेरी मम्मी जो होती है, अगर मुझसे कोई भी गलती हो जाती है तो वो सिखा देते हैं कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो। तो यू नो it's a great pleasure to have elders with us when you are doing something new and you are you are trying to do something different from others. So it's good to learn new things in your daily life.
So,
Any other questions?
children, what we learned today is Miss India's know how to cook.
Yes.
So it's not just about being beautiful.
Beautiful, not and glamorous, obviously, but also she should be all-rounder, isn't
Yes,
it?
exactly. Yes. Next question.
Why
Yes.
delights are hard to you?
Huh?
Why delights are hard to you?
D?
Delights, deserts.
What?
Dessert.
Dessert.
Oh my god, delights, it's not hard for me, but the thing is that I have not ever cooked, I have not ever tried it to make any dessert. Because in my home, because I'll say it, I live in a village and we don't get there, we don't get regular electricity or regular power there, there is no network, so you have to stay in a conservative area. So, we only go with main courses, not with other delights foods or cookies or, starters and all.
So what we learn from here is whatever resources we have with us, make the best use of that.
Yes. And yes.
When did you thought that I should be Miss India? I should go ahead for that. When you
So when did you
That's a
think
very
of
good
becoming a
question.
Miss India, Rinki?
I thought of it's my childhood dream. Whenever I go to watch TV, I always see other models walking the ramp and they are so beautiful, glamorous. I also want to try their life, how they are. But after coming here, I learned that it's not about only beauty or being glamorous, but you really need to work hard here, and you have to be always be ready for everything. You have to be ready for your timings. You have to be ready for in every schedule they make for us. So,
So
any questions more?
any more questions? Yes.
Are you married?
Huh? No. In Miss India, you have to be single.
So it's an eligibility criteria to
Yes.
participate in a contest like Miss India that you have to be single and within the age group.
Yes. That's also 18
What is
to
the
18,
What is the age group?
18 to 25.
What's your age?
Mine, I'm just 21. I'm so young. Really? But others feels like I'm 30 years of age. Is it like that?
Yes, you are looking tall.
Doll.
Tall.
Okay.
Rinki, it's your
Yes.
turn to ask them questions.
Yes. So, are you ready for it?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do some, someone will sing for me and some lines, acting,
yes.
singing, whatever you want to do.
Who loves to sing over here?
Yes. Raise
Who's
your
a good
hand.
singer?
Raise your
Don't be
hand.
shy, don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Okay, both of you.
Who knows acting? Who loves to act? Okay. And you. Who know fun jokes? Okay, Krishna, do acting. Do an acting for
Okay,
me.
Krishna, you start with acting. What do you
Yes.
want to do? You want to act? You want to mimic some actor? You want to act like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan? Any dialogue from their movies?
In Bahubali 2.
Okay, yes, ready.
In Bahubali 2, when there was one man, he was doing bad touchings with the women. So Devsena cut his fingers. So when she go over there, that time he tell about he tells Bahubali that he told things.
Yeah.
So Bahubali tells ये तुमने गलत किया. औरत पर हाथ डालने वाले की उंगलियां नहीं काटते, काटते तो उसका गर्दन.
अरे wow.
Very well.
Okay,
Well said.
children,
Okay.
Rinky Chakma has to move
Yes.
out right now
So,
for a cook-off
have
session.
fun. Wait for us. Let's do our cook-off session finished, and we'll be back here soon. And wait for the lunch and enjoy. And I have to go. Bye bye.
Okay, children, say bye to Rinky and say hi. Say hi to Shivankita Dikshit. Okay, Shivankita is representing the state of West Bengal. All of you know West Bengal, where it is located. And she will continue the interaction. So Shivankita, we have an actor in the house.
Actor?
Yeah, so he just acted.
Oh, I also
He
used
recited
to do
a
acting.
dialogue from a movie. So now she's going to sing for us. So we have a singer as well.
Oh, good.
Any song? Any song? Any song?
I don't remember.
Yes.
Vamshi, you remember the lyrics?
Any song. 2 lines would be okay. Even 2 lines is okay. Yeah. Okay. Come on, come on. For the beautiful Miss India West Bengal, Shivankita.
So I would like to sing one song.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Yes.
The song is of Taylor Swift. You Belong With Me.
Super.
So you're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you say, but she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday at night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do.
Thank you. That was amazing. Right, Shivankita? You like that song?
Yes, I really love this song. I'm a fan of Taylor Swift too. So you're gonna act and teach me some acting. I don't know acting. Chalo, chalo, jaldi.
What is one important thing that you need to have in order to act? For example, you need to look beautiful from within and outside.
In acting, that is not compulsory
Compulsory.
to look beautiful.
Yes.
For doing acting, we should have confidence.
Confidence?
Yes.
Okay, so confidence is what you need. Shivankita, any questions for our little heroes over here? Anything you want to ask them, so they are more than willing to answer you.
So we have made lovely dishes for you. Hope you enjoy it. Like it, yeah. Yes, I'm representing West Bengal.
So you want to ask her anything, girls?
So I made, that is a surprise for you, why should I tell you? okay, I'll tell you. I made dal tadka. My whole east zone has made dal tadka and matar pulao for you guys.
So it's nutrition,
Yes.
total nutrition. Who loves dal tadka over here? No? Like? You want to know about Shivankita over here? What does she like? What doesn't she like? You know how difficult it was to become a Miss India participant.
Oh.
Hobby.
I used to play basketball. I have played basketball at states level. I'm a sports player. Yes. And I love to cook and act also. and that's it. I like to explore places also. I like being adventurous in life. Hero. Oh,
Favorite
my
hero.
favorite hero is Ranveer Singh. He's very energetic. Who is your favorite hero? Varun Dhawan. Oh.
So we have children. All of you know these two people over here. And what about
So
her?
you're handing over your crown this year. So what are you going to do?
So we have Mr. India who went on to represent India at Mr. World, and he's the winner. He's the first Asian ever to win Mr. World competition.
And I have been so happy that before I went for Mr. World, मैं आप ही लोगों के स्कूल आया था.
Thanks, Shivankita.
And Mr. World के बाद भी मैं आया था.
Thank you, Priyadashni.
Nice to see you all again.
So
Boys,
we are having a live interaction with them, Rohit.
oh, nice.
So,
Hello
you know,
guys, and these are really, really amazing, lovely kids. I remember before and after Mr. World, especially the first visit was to Muktangan Association, and they have this lovely concept of parents teaching the kids, and with a lot of love. So, and it's very creative. It's just not where you write everything on board. The kids have played so many games, which helps them with for their memory, which makes them learn things with a lot of fun. तो आप सब आज रेडी है खाने के लिए? और आपको पता है कि हमारे ये देश के जो लड़कियां होते हैं ना, पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, वो खासकर आप लोगों के लिए अपना वक्त निकाल कर खास आप लोगों के लिए भी खाना बना रहे हैं, ताकि आप सब लोग पेट भर के खाना खा सकें.
I want to ask you one question. What is your workout schedule? because first we seen you are not that means like more reps. Now you are seeing curds are came.
Well, lovely question. I didn't expect this coming from you.
So it's an interactive session wherein we have given them the liberty to ask questions to you.
Of course, I think you can ask me any question. There's no difference between what I am or what you are. Title is just for the namesake. We are all human beings after all. So for workout, I think आज मैं थोड़ा टी-शर्ट हाफ पहन कर आया हूँ, तो आपको मेरे मसल ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं. वरना पहले भी यही थे. तो पहले मैं थोड़ा फुल पहन कर आता था, और आज मैंने हाफ पहन कर आया. वर्कआउट में थोड़ा डिफरेंस आ चुका है, क्योंकि मैं मेहनत ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ. अब जो टाइटल आ गया है उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आ चुकी है. तो मुझे देखकर आप सभी, जैसे आपने मुझे पूछा है, आपने कहीं ना कहीं से आपको भी लगा होगा कि मैं भी ऐसे कुछ आगे जाके बड़ा होकर, अभी नहीं, मैं भी मसल से लेके आऊँ. सो मेहनत ज़्यादा है, that's it. और खाने पीने में थोड़ा सा देख कर खाना पड़ता है. घी स्वीट्स कम करने पड़ते हैं, जो मैं चाहता नहीं हूँ कम करूँ, पर मुझे करना पड़ रहा है. आपकी कितने क्यूट डिम्पल आ रहे हैं.
So did you all
दिखाइए डिम्पल. वाओ.
So did you all say hi to Miss World India 2016 Priyadarshini?
Hi.
So where Rohit won Mr. India and went on to represent India at Mr. World competition, Priyadarshini won Miss India, the competition which is happening with all 30 girls. So she won it last year and she's the reigning beauty queen. So it's the first time you're meeting them, Priyadarshini?
I've never had the opportunity to meet them before, but I'm so happy कि finally मैं आप सबसे मिल रही हूँ. And I really hope that you guys enjoy whatever food the girls are making, क्योंकि वो सब अपने दिल से बना रहे हैं. And I hope कि आप लोग सच्ची में enjoy करो और ठीक से पेट भर के खाइए. Just enjoy the moment.
दिल से बना रहे हैं इसलिए टाइम लग रहा है, हाथ से बनाते तो अब तक हो जाता था.
आप लोग कब खाना चाहते हो? प्रिया दीदी भी बनाएंगे आपके लिए खाना,
हाँ.
राइट? कब बनाओगे प्रिया दीदी?
जल्दी, जब मैं सीख जाऊँ अच्छे से खाना बनाना क्योंकि अभी भी सीखना थोड़ा बाकी है.
प्रिया दीदी के लिए बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. I'm sure. You wanna ask her something? She is your Miss India winner. So all 30 girls want to be.
Yes, it's actually ये बहुत बड़ा opportunity है, and it's like you have been given the power और आपको वो use करना है to bring all the greatness in the world. So yes.
So आप लोगों में से किसी को बनना है मिस्टर वर्ल्ड या मिस वर्ल्ड या मिस्टर इंडिया?
इसको बनना है.
आगे जाके शायद अभी किसी के ख्वाब है.
इनके होंगे शायद, क्योंकि he asked you about your workout schedule ना.
किनको बनना है? आपको क्या बनना है? आपको क्या बनना है? क्या बनना है?
Software engineer.
आपको? आर्टिस्ट. आपको? आपको सब इंजीनियर हैं. इंजीनियर कितने को बनना है यहाँ पे? हाथ ऊपर करो. वाओ. एक्टर. अच्छा एक्टर मतलब पैशन है, हॉबी है.
मॉडलिंग करनी है.
मॉडलिंग. सिंगर. मॉडलिंग. सिंगर एंड मॉडल.
प्रियदर्शनी मैम से टिप्स लेना है, ठीक है?
क्या कुछ पूछना चाह रहे थे?
Yes, means as you are Miss India, so what struggle did you do when you got this place?
Nice question.
Yes, actually, you know the most important thing is when you come for something like Miss India, you need to know yourself very well. You need to know whether you fit into it. You need to know yourself the most. Because when you're representing your country, the most important thing is whether you know yourself or not. Only then can you represent your country. So struggle, मैं बोलूँगी कि you've been very confident. You know, I used to be a very shy, introverted person who did not talk that much. So coming out of my comfort zone was my struggle, but I did it eventually. So yes, here I am.
आई थिंक स्ट्रगल हर चीज़ में होता है. आप जो भी बनना चाहोगे, हर चीज़ आसान नहीं होती है लाइफ में. तो मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से इतना आप लोगों को बता सकता हूँ कि कोई चीज़ आसान नहीं होती है या कोई चीज़ डिफ़िकल्ट भी नहीं होती है. बस आपका पैशन होना चाहिए वो करने में. वो कहते हैं ना कि कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर ही जाकर हर चीज़ हो पाती है. इसीलिए आप सब कोई गेम खेलते हो? हाँ, हम सब मिलकर एक गेम खेलें. ऑलराइट. सो मेरा एक गेम है जो मैं बचपन में बहुत खेलता था. उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा यहाँ पर आना पड़ेगा. थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो, कोई मेरे गोद में भी बैठ सकता है. ओके. सो ये गेम है, पता नहीं आप लोग अभी भी खेलते हो कि नहीं, लेकिन मैं बचपन में बहुत खेलता था. ओके, किसको पता है ये गेम? चिड़िया उड़ी. किसको पता है? राइट. ओके, मुझे भी ये मेमोरी कैप्चर करनी है अपने लाइफ में. सो हम ये गेम खेलने वाले हैं. सबको आता है? राइट. तो सब अपने अपने
तो उंगलियां रख दो सब.
राइट. वेरी गुड. आराम से.
I'm also coming.
Yes. She's also here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. चिड़िया उड़ी. डॉग उड़ा. All right. प्लेन उड़ी. हवाई जहाज उड़ा. So 2-3 आउट है. हवाई जहाज उड़ती नहीं है. और नेक्स्ट थिंग, रॉकेट उड़ी. प्लेन उड़ी. डॉग उड़ा. ओके, अब किसी को इनिशिएटिव लेना है ये बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे अब मैं सब कुछ भूल गया हूँ. जो फास्ट बोल सकता
ओके,
है. वेरी नाइस.
तो शील से.
ओके. ऑलराइट. She is saying it. Alright. After her you. Yes. आप रोज खेलते हो ये गेम, बताइए. Alright, I'm out. चलो कंटिन्यू. कम ऑन गाइस, देखते हैं कौन जीतेगा ये गेम. वाओ.
Mr. World.
वो तो मैं कभी कभी. Come on, next initiative.
Come on. Superman उड़ा.
Fast.
गाय उड़ी.
आपने खुद भी उठा दिया गाड़ी.
Sir,
आप लोग गाय को क्यों उड़ा रहे हो?
हाँ.
that who will say that will fly everything.
अरे.
So that everyone
So I'm
will
not out.
confuse.
That means I'm not out, right?
not out.
You should have told me before when I'm out. You're cheating. You're telling
But
me that you're out.
when you were saying, when you were playing this game, then Poonam was telling that.
Yeah.
So you are right.
Oh, right. So whoever is doing it can fly anytime.
Yes, everything.
I didn't know this. This is advanced ना गेम में. ये नया वर्जन है, जैसे अपडेटेड वाला वर्जन आता है, फेसबुक अपडेटेड. वाओ. और कुछ है ऐसे नए रूल? हाँ. Okay guys, well done. जो जीते हैं यहाँ पे. और जो नहीं जीते हैं उसका मतलब ये है कि आप लोग पढ़ाई ज़्यादा करते हैं. Yeah. और कौन सा गेम खेलते हो आप लोग?
Cricket.
क्रिकेट. कबड्डी. कबड्डी कौन खेलता है? लग रहा है देखकर कबड्डी खेलता है. आप खेलते हो कबड्डी? नहीं. होना चाहिए पढ़ाई में और दिल लगा कर पढ़ना चाहिए. हर चीज़ समझ कर पढ़ना चाहिए. जितना मैं अपने बचपन में उतना ज़्यादा समझ कर नहीं पढ़ पाया, लेकिन आज मुझे लगता है कि हर चीज़ आपको जो पढ़ रहे हो आप उसका मतलब पता चलना चाहिए. अगर नहीं पता चला तो टीचर को पूछना चाहिए, है ना. कुछ भी हो, चाहे एक शब्द हो, टीचर नहीं तो किसी को पूछ सकते हो, मुझे पूछ सकते हो. फेसबुक का अकाउंट किसी को सिखाते हैं. वेरी गुड। तो अब आपने अकाउंट बना ही लिया तो अब मुझे भी पूछ सकते हो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन। आई एम अ ग्रेजुएट इन कॉमर्स और उसके बाद मुझे MBA करना था। इनफैक्ट मैं MBA के लिए बॉम्बे आया था, पर एक्टिंग में भी ट्राई करना था मुझे। तो दोनों चीज़ थी और मैं दोनों चीज़ ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहा था क्योंकि अपना 100% देना ज़रूरी था, फोकस। तो मैंने अपना 100% दिया, तो शायद इसलिए मैंने एक सीरियल किया, फिर मिस्टर इंडिया जीता, फिर मिस्टर वर्ल्ड जीता।
You used to work as well in a company. Like you said, no, they are engineers who wants to become.
So मैं ग्राउंड स्टाफ काम करता था स्पाइस ग्रुप में। मैंने कुछ 6 महीने काम किया वहाँ पर क्योंकि पहले मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं। मुझे डर लग रहा था कि शायद मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा। मैं बहुत मेरे से अच्छे लोग हैं,
Got it?
फिर एक बार मैंने सोचा मैं कोशिश कर लेता हूँ,
Only the live video I'll tag on.
कामयाबी में आ सके। सो आई थिंक हर चीज़ के लिए कोशिश करनी चाहिए। आपको कभी अपने आप को ये सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, राइट? अगर आप मेहनत करते हो तो हर चीज़ पॉसिबल है कि नहीं?
Please ask.
Means you said that you have worked in a serial. So what was that serial's name?
Serial's name was $1 Million Girl. So I was not $1 Million Girl. I was playing one of the role in that. One of the important role. तो एक गांव के बारे में सीरियल था जहाँ पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी, जो हैंडलूम इंडस्ट्री होती है जहाँ लीडर्स बनते हैं, तो उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में वो गांव में मैं उनका सिंघम पिक्चर देखी आपने? अजय देवगन का जैसे रोल था वैसा मेरा रोल था। मेरे पास भी एक बुलेट थी। हाँ, बस लोगों को मारा नहीं मैंने। तो वो सीरियल था, मैंने 6 महीना किया। उसके बाद मिस्टर इंडिया हुआ, मिस्टर वर्ल्ड हुआ, और इस साल मैं एक मूवी कर रहा हूँ। तो वो मूवी का नाम मैं एक्चुअली अभी बता नहीं सकता क्योंकि डिक्लेयर करना नहीं है। सो बट इट्स अ वेरी बिग मूवी। आप लोग अगर नाम जब आपको पता चलेगा तो उसके बारे में चलेगा। तो ये साल एंड में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ और अगले साल वो रिलीज़ होगी मूवी। नहीं, ये रोमांटिक है। रोमांटिक इमोशनल मूवी है। एक्ट्रेस अभी डिसाइड नहीं हुई है, तो अगले महीने तक वो डिसाइड होगी। मैं भी डिसाइड हो गया हूँ हीरो के लिए। तो आप सब लोग देखेंगे? राइट? स्कूल ढुमा करके देखोगे? नहीं। ये तो वैसे ही चिड़िया उड़ी नहीं।
Okay, children. So we are finishing our live interaction. It was a pleasure talking to each one of you. You all are rock stars, yeah.
So thank you everybody.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you each one of you. And I hope you like the food.